Prof, onto Alagodaro, as we say last year, now you Tanda Gidigba as chairman LOC for the Alagodaro planning. What be the plans? What make people they expect from Una onto this year?
Okay, we thank everybody for Edo State and for Nigeria as they give us support for Alagodaro 2017. That one, everybody agrees say now be one of the best investment summits when they don't hold for this country. Because now everybody will matter come, from Oshibanjo to Dangote to Bua, you name them, all the people will get money. They come Edo. Now we come to tell them, say, what you not know before, because this Edo one at the city, now be the heart of Nigeria. We know they call us the heartbeat for nothing. This Edo, now be the hub. You know go fit enter south-south, southeast without passing through Edo. You know if we go southwest from southeast and south-south without passing through Edo. So we want to take advantage of our being in the center. For power, all the transmission lines now Edo then they pass. For gas, we get our own gas plenty, boku. And on top of that, now all the pipe now Edo then they pass. Those ones they for power generation. So we take all these things. Everybody's here. All of them say, they don't know say I don't do like this. So we can't tell them all the things we don't do, the reform. How we don't reduce the number of ministries, how we don't train our civil servants, how we don't cut red tape. We even cancel some ministries, like Ministry of Sport, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. We change some names to make them more important. And we say the government for Edo now, is they ready for business? Because we know say now when we do business, now we'll go expand the economy, we'll go create jobs for our young people. And for 2018 Alagodaro, we don't look at the lessons when we draw, where we make mistake, where we do well, who we know invite, who we invite when help us well, when we go invite again, that one day. So we don't set up now an Alagodaro Trust Fund, Alagodaro Trust. When we say that fund, trust fund, people when they support Alagodaro, go they support her and then go come put them in charge of organizing the next Alagodaro. We don't they hold strategic meetings already to say which sectors now will go emphasize. And plenty things don't happen since 2017. When we give report card for 2018, people don't go believe, say in 1 year, government will do all those things. I'm sure you don't hear of our industrial park. You don't hear of the Gelegele River Port. You don't hear of Azura. Azura don't they contribute 450 megawatts of power to the national grid. The 3 turbines don't begin to the work. Now for Edo here, Azura Day, among many other investments. So we don't achieve so much since 2017. And we believe, say, by 2018, we go put the small corner when they for all the discussion where we get before when we never conclude. We go conclude all of them, and the Edo economy will just begin to move forward like that. Then they bring reports to Ministry of Local Government, to the political advisor, and we too they get copies of the report. The interesting thing is say, you get one of my young men when the mentor in Moscow. He see me during the youth day. He said, in chairman invite him, we'll make him come be chairman of their economic team for the local government. That is a first. And I don't know anywhere for Nigeria where they do that kind of thing. But it shows that what we tell them that day, each local government must organize an economic summit, just the way we do Alagodaro. Every local government go sit down, bring the business people, bring the politicians, bring the leaders, bring their people when get money, when they outside, they Lagos, they Kaduna, they London, self, invite them, make we sit down. How we go make this our local government better? Take a place like my own local government, Owan West. The owner of Arik, Arumeme Ekide Johnson, is from Owan West. I Gimokwede, one of the former MD, CEO of Access Bank, is from Owan West. I feel begin count. The current chairman of Sterling Bank, Obehan Hiwere, is from Owan West. I feel count up to 20 names like that. We go call them, make them sit down. Not before Benin we go hold the meeting, no. Now for the Sabugida Aura, the capital. wetin you go do. Na barber salon you wan put, na restaurant you wan put, na hotel you wan put, na school you wan establish, na chain of lock-up stores. No be wetin go make them spend all their money for bank, but something that go create job, go empower our women, go help the environment and open up the economy. Now we say make them come do. Governor say every local government must hold an economic summit. And our office, they're open to them to come anytime. Some don't they come to ask for how we go do it. He also say every local government must have a strategy document. Una go sit down. Bring all your, there's no local government for this state where no get at least 3, 4, 5 doctor or professor. Invite them, make them sit down. You don't need to pay them money, give them lunch. That recognition alone, say their own local government council, it never happened before for this country, at least to the best of my knowledge. Sit down, say, what will be our priority? What will be our immediate plan when we go do in the next 1 year? What will we go do in the next 2 years? And what will we go do in the next 3 years? So you have immediate, medium term, and long term. So when they go discuss them, then when we don't identify the things, how we go take raise money to take do these things? Who be the people when we go call the drivers, say agriculture, who go there in charge? Then who when not the local government council go support them from outside to drivers, so that when the time reach, we know who will go hold. Say now you will put in charge of environment. Now you will put in charge of market. Now you will put in charge of schools. How far? So the local government chairman now when we get, they're very impressed. Are they happy with them? They respond well. Many don't call me, say, okay, we will bring a team, come meet you to tell us how we go do our strategy document, how we go do our own economic summit. Some even say they want to hold political summit too, to say everybody, oh, peace. Let's work together. Even if we know they're the same party, we are from this local government. If we begin kill each other, we're not going to make progress. So how we go take work together in the interest of our people? So our local governments are doing very well. All of them now, the IGR done the increase. Even those when don't pay salary before, they pay salary now, and they go get surplus when they save. Because we don't change the financial system, the revenue collection system. We don't plug all the loopholes. So the money when they enter private pocket before, they go to local government account now. So things they go well for that side.